Hi everybody! Today I want to share with you some fun drawing I've been doing recently. Lately, I've been going back to my drawing roots, and as I did in college, I'm following a step-by-step art instruction book called Portrait Drawing by Wendon Blake. This book is quite old and from the early 80s, but I think nostalgia has me going back to this book time and time again. I started by drawing in my sketchbook, and it dawned on me that I can't remember the last time I drew something larger than the size of my notebook. So, what time is better than now? In my apartment, I have tracing paper left over from when I was practicing my first comic book, and thought how I could use it for a drawing exercise. I started by taping the tracing paper to the wall, and with an oil pastel, I practiced drawing a portrait taken from the art book. It's helpful for me to understand distance from the eye, to the nose, to the mouth, to where the hairline starts, and to where the curl of the hair lands. This process is very calming and satisfying for me. After I lay the base of the portrait, I start to define light source and perspective with shading. I really enjoy shading. It's the moment where a flat line becomes alive. It's easy for me to go overboard on shading, so I like to step back every once in a while and make sure the dimensions are okay. After the first drawing, I lay out a new sheet of tracing paper. This time, I reflect and use what I learned from the first drawing and start a new one, but with my memory only. I build the second drawing with my muscle memory and my personal artistic sensibilities. Instantly, I see the face is different. This is okay, because I'm eager to see my own interpretation of another's portrait. But I also see my artistic heroes coming through my own psyche. I see how my favorite artist, Alphonse Mucha, has influenced my line and soft curves. I also see through my color choices the inspiration that Claude Monet has ingrained in me. In the end, I lay my second drawing over the first and recognize the differences. I honor and accept that my perception is personal and different. Have any of you tried an exercise like this? Thank you all for joining me on this fun one. Talk soon!